Stop before you skip this video. Answer this question. You walk into a coffee shop, the person at the counter smiles and says, "Hey, how's everything going?" And you freeze. You say, "I am fine, thank you," like a robot. Sound familiar?
Sophie, you just described my first year in English. Every conversation felt like a test I didn't study for.
And that's exactly why we made this episode. Today on HC English Pod, we are going to fix that forever.
If you watch till the end, you will sound more natural, more confident, and more like a real English speaker, not a textbook.
So stay with us. This one is going to change how you speak, I promise.
Welcome back to HZ English Pod. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie, and if you are new here, hello. This channel is your daily place to practice real English, not boring grammar rules, real conversations, real phrases, real life.
And today we have a big topic, essential English phrases for daily conversations.
These are the phrases that native speakers use every single day, but nobody teaches you in school.
So let's jump in. Sophie, let's start with the morning. You wake up, you go to work, and the first thing your colleague says is,
"Morning, you doing okay?"
See, not "Good morning, how are you today?" Just "Morning, you doing okay?"
Short, friendly, natural, and most people don't know how to answer this naturally either.
So what do we say?
You say, "Yeah, not bad. Coffee's still waking me up." Or just, "Pretty good, thanks. You?"
Always throw the question back. That's the secret to keeping a conversation alive.
Write that down. Throw the question back.
Okay, so let's go deeper into greetings because how you start a conversation decides everything.
Most learners say, "Hello, I am fine, thank you," and it stops the conversation immediately.
It sounds like you are reading from a menu.
Exactly. So here are real greeting phrases. First one, how's it going?
How's it going? This is everywhere. At work, at the gym, at the supermarket.
And the answer is simple. Pretty good, thanks. Or can't complain. Or even just, not bad, you?
I love "can't complain." It sounds so natural, like a real person.
It does. Second phrase, what have you been up to?
Ooh, this one is for someone you haven't seen in a while.
Yes, your friend from school, your neighbor. And a great answer is, "Oh, just keeping busy," or "Not much, honestly, same old thing."
Same old thing. I use that one all the time.
Third phrase, and this is important, long time no see.
Long time no see when you meet someone after weeks or months.
And they usually reply, "I know, it's been forever. How are you?"
And then you throw the conversation back, right, Sophie?
Always, Liam, always.
Okay, now this next section, this is the one nobody talks about, but it is so important.
What happens when you don't understand someone?
Most learners just smile and nod and then have no idea what's happening.
We've all done it.
So here are the phrases to use when you need someone to slow down or repeat.
First one, sorry, could you say that again? Very polite, very simple.
Or, I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Didn't catch that. This is a very natural expression. Catch means understand in this case.
Not catching a ball, catching the meaning.
Exactly. Third one, and this is for when someone is speaking too fast, you say, "Could you slow down a little? My English is still improving."
And Sophie, is it embarrassing to say that?
Not at all. Native speakers respect that. It shows confidence, actually, not weakness.
That's such an important point. Asking for help is confident, not weak.
And the last one for this section, when you want to make sure you understood correctly, you say, "So you mean," and then repeat what you heard.
Like, so you mean the meeting is on Friday, not Thursday?
Perfect. That way, both people are clear, no confusion.
No awkward moments later.
Communication is not about being perfect. It's about being clear.
Let's talk about real-life situations now. Sophie, you love shopping.
I do, and the shop is one of the best places to practice English.
So what phrases do we need?
Okay, you walk into a shop and a worker says, "Can I help you find anything today?"
And most learners freeze here too.
So you say, "I'm just browsing, thanks," if you want to look around alone.
Just browsing. Perfect. No pressure.
Or if you need help, "Actually, yes, I'm looking for something for a gift."
Ooh, that opens a great conversation.
Then, when you find something you like and you want to know the price, instead of just pointing and saying, price,
Which I may have done before.
you say, how much is this? Or, do you know if this is on sale?
On sale means cheaper than normal, everyone.
And at the end, when you pay, could I get a bag for this, please? Or, can I pay by card?
Simple, polite, and it makes you feel so much more comfortable.
Let's do a quick role play. Liam, you're the shop assistant.
Okay. Welcome in. Can I help you today?
Hi, I'm just browsing for now, thanks.
Of course. Let me know if you need anything.
Actually, I was looking for a birthday gift. Something around $20?
Oh, sure. We have some great options over here.
That was so easy, and it felt natural, right?
Totally natural. And listeners, you can practice that exact conversation at home right now. Pause the video and try it.
Now let's go to the workplace, because a lot of our listeners use English at work.
And work conversations can feel very stressful.
So let's make them easier. First situation, your manager asks, what do you think about this idea?
And you want to agree nicely. You say, that's a really solid point. I think it could work well.
Solid point. Remember that one. It's very professional.
What if you disagree?
You don't say, no, that's wrong. You say, I see where you're coming from, but have we considered...
Ooh, that's smooth.
I see where you're coming from. It means, I understand your thinking, but I have another idea.
And another great work phrase, when someone asks you to do something and you need time, say, let me look into that and get back to you.
That sounds so professional. Not, I don't know, but let me look into it.
It buys you time and sounds confident.
And when a meeting ends, instead of just saying bye, say, thanks everyone, let's follow up on this soon.
Follow up. That means we will talk about this again later.
You will sound like a pro. Okay, last big section. Social situations, parties, meeting new people, small talk. Small talk is the hardest thing for English learners because there are no right answers. It's just conversation.
So how do we start?
You meet someone new at a party. You say, hey, how do you know everyone here?
That's such a good opener because everyone at a party knows the host somehow.
And it makes the other person talk, which takes pressure off you.
Genius. What else?
When you want to keep the conversation going, use phrases like, oh, really? That's interesting. Tell me more.
Tell me more. People love hearing that.
Or, I've actually never heard of that. What's it like?
You're showing curiosity. People always warm up to curious people.
And if there's an awkward silence, which happens to everyone, just say, so what do you usually do on weekends?
Easy, safe, and almost always starts a good conversation.
And when you want to leave the conversation politely, don't just walk away. Say, it was so nice chatting with you. I hope we talk again.
Or, I'll let you mingle. It was great meeting you.
Let you mingle means, I know you want to talk to other people too. Very thoughtful.
These phrases make you seem warm, confident, and easy to talk to.
Which is exactly what great English communication is about.
Okay, let's bring everything together. Sophie, quick recap.
Sure, we covered 5 big areas today. Greetings that actually sound natural, like, how's it going, and long time no see.
Phrases for when you don't understand, like, I didn't quite catch that, and could you slow down a little?
Shopping phrases, I'm just browsing, and do you know if this is on sale?
Work phrases like, I see where you're coming from, and let me look into that.
And social small talk. How do you know everyone here? And tell me more.
That is a full toolkit for real English life.
And remember our rule at HC English Pod.
Communication, not perfection.
Say it with us, everyone.
Communication, not perfection.
Now here is your challenge for today. Pick just 3 phrases from this episode and use them today, in real life, or even practicing alone at home.
Talk to your mirror, talk to your pet, talk to your coffee cup, whatever works.
Whatever works.
And then come back and tell us in the comments which phrase was your favorite, or tell us a situation where you want to use better English. We read every comment.
We really do. Your comments make this podcast better every single week.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like. It helps more people find HZ English Pod and join our community.
And subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We have so much more coming for you.
Until next time, I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Keep practicing. Take care. Bye.